LaCantina Doors is dedicated to creating products that open spaces. We offer folding, sliding, swing door, and window products to blur the boundaries from indoors and out, room to room, for a healthier, more comfortable lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore the different material options for your personal style and performance needs for your region. Aluminum is a favorable option for more temperate to warm climates, where significant heat and cold transfer is not of concern. Featuring a clean contemporary design with narrow profiles, aluminum offers more glass and natural daylight for a healthier home environment. Aluminum's low-maintenance aluminum exterior makes it a great open space product for any opening in your home. Available across all our systems, LaCantina offers a wide range of popular in-stock and optional colors or custom-match any color to suit your design. Aluminum is a popular choice among temperate climates, such as Southern California. However, if your area experiences very extreme temperatures or humidity, you may want to consider our aluminum thermally controlled system, offering a similar aesthetic with increased thermal performance. Our aluminum system is perfect for creating that indoor-outdoor experience for a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle and at the best value. Our aluminum thermally controlled system is an ideal solution for areas that experience extreme heat or elevated levels of humidity. Featuring a non-conductive thermal strut to limit the transfer of heat or cold to the interior of the home, this system helps you control your environment to your desired level of comfort. Why spend more on running the air conditioner in the summer or heater during the winter when you can save with a truly energy-efficient product? Aside from performance, this system offers greater design flexibility. Our proprietary design allows you to select different interior and exterior colors for your door panels and a vast array of in-stock and custom color options to create your ideal aesthetic. With its clean contemporary design and narrow profiles for maximum glass and natural light, the aluminum thermally controlled system ensures the benefits of large openings can be enjoyed in even the hottest environments. Wood provides enhanced structural performance for openings that call for oversized door panels. Composed of a hybrid panel construction of extruded aluminum and wood, the aluminum wood is engineered for more stability within the panels due to fluctuation in temperature. This allows us to create the large opening desired with long-lasting performance. Enjoy the perks of an oversized contemporary system offering more natural light and the opportunity to connect to the outdoors year-round. Customize your system to your personal style by offering a wide range of in-stock, optional, and custom colors and wood species. When size matters most, you'll be able to count on LaCantina's aluminum wood systems to provide optimal performance for those hot and dry environments. For hot and dry regions that experience extreme peaks and drops in temperature, effective insulation is important. Featuring a low-maintenance aluminum exterior and combined with the warmth of a wood interior, the contemporary CLAD provides a stunning aesthetic and increased thermal performance, making it our most energy-efficient system. LaCantina offers you the choice between a square or sculpted panel profile to match your more contemporary or more traditional style. As with all our wood-clad products, vertical grain Douglas fir and mahogany come in stock. However, a custom wood species such as oak or cherry are available upon request. Contemporary CLAD offers standard, optional, and custom color options to create your very own system that suits your style. The contemporary CLAD provides the thermal performance necessary to not only meet the most stringent energy codes, but to truly keep you and your family comfortable by keeping the ideal temperature in your home all year round. Contemporary CLAD boasts style without compromising performance and is an ideal solution for keeping your home comfortable during the hot season. LaCantina's original system and a timeless classic, wood, features the natural organic beauty and increased energy efficiency of wood inside and out. Available in our folding and swing systems, wood is a good option in most regions due to its natural ability to provide optimal thermal performance, keeping you and yours cozy in the comfort of your home. Standard wood species include Douglas fir and mahogany. However, we offer custom wood species such as pine, alder, oak, cherry walnut, and others upon request. Our wood system gets the most out of a contemporary system with traditional flair.